Allahumma join us with your chosen prophet on the day when the world is resurrected with the souls in disarray. Let us gain his intercession when we're taken to account. Let us quench our thirst forever when we meet him at his fount. When a man once asked for heaven in the prophet's company, help me get you this, he told him, by prostrating frequently. If we fear that our good deeds are few and sin stacked high above, our last hope is, as he told us, you'll be with the one you love. Because loving is believing and our faith is not yet whole till we love him more than parent, child and every single soul. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, Muhammadun Rasulullah, alayhi salatu